Prove that sin theta multiplied by cos square theta is equal to sin theta minus sin cubic theta. So we will prove by considering the left hand side. So from the left hand side, we make use of this identity that when you have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Any acute angle and you square it, you take the sine of it and you square and you add the cos of it and you square, the answer will be 1. So from here, we subtract sine both the signs so that on the left hand side we will be left with the cos square theta, and on the right hand side we shall have 1 minus sine square theta. So where you have cos square theta, you substitute with the 1 minus sine square theta. So doing that, we find that we shall have sine theta multiplied by bracket 1 minus sine squared theta. So we remove the bracket. 1 times sine theta is sine of theta. Then minus sine theta multiplied by sine squared of theta. We make this law of indices. If you have a power 1 multiplied by a power 2, the answer will be a, then base, then you add the index, which is equal to a to the power of 3. In our case, our index here is 1. So we shall have sine theta minus sine of sine theta of 1 plus 2. So this is equal to sine of theta minus sine theta cubic. And now you can clearly see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So since the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, it means that that is the end of our proof. Kindly remember those simple steps. In case you forget, you can repeat, you can watch the video ahead so that you remember. So it is clear that sine of theta multiplied by cos of theta squared, the result is equal to sine of theta of theta. So the key thing is to know this identity here, that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. That is the key identity in solving this simple basic trigonometric identity. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.